Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove the door panel from a Lexus E350 2008 and more. So it begins from 2018, not 2008. So from the year 2018 and more. This is the 7th generation. So here on this door, it is possible to take it off for the window tinting only from the upper part, but I don't suggest it because the clips is here. There are 3 clips. They are very strong, so you risk to damage the panel. I don't suggest you to do that. So it is best to take it off completely. So you'll have here under behind the cup one Phillips screw. Here under the carpet there is another one. We'll take off this power switch. There is another one, and here there is the last one. So you have 4 Phillips screws to take off. So we'll begin. The tools you will need are some plastic tools, maybe one hook like this, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So this cap you can easily take off just with a screwdriver, or with this hook you press here and you take it off. So this is one. The carpet here also, with this hook you can take it off easily. Now this power switch, it is not difficult to take off. Just be careful to not damage the leather. And you go just here. It is important to, let me see if you need to, yeah, best you begin it here, but doesn't matter, you can begin here because there is no nothing that goes under. So there are 2 clips. Okay, so now we'll take off the screws. First one. Second. Third. And the 4th. Okay, we'll put this back. And now we need this big guy. We'll put it between the door panel and the door itself, and just pull towards me. That's it. So it is done. Yeah, when you pull it, for sure the light gets off, but you'll put it back afterwards. So now you just lift it up. And here you have the panel. So there are 2 cables and 1 power cable. This one here, you just press the pin and the switch will get off. And the others, you just pull them and they take off. Okay, so this is it. One more important thing here. When you put this back, it is difficult to put back here the upper side because of this rubber here. So what I do and what I suggest you to do is just to take this off. You can take this off by just pulling it like this toward the windows. I'll show you. So you take it off like this. Once you take it off, you take a flat head screwdriver and you go here. Let me show it. Here there are 3 clips like this. So you want to go with the flat screwdriver here underneath, you press it and you take it off. This and this. Where is it? Yeah, this one. So after that, in the same position, you place them here. I'll show it after when I'll install it. So you press it here, you have signs on the door where you have to put it. You put these clips in the same position as they were, and after you put the blade on the clips like this. And when you will put back the door panel, you'll just lean it like this and press here, and the panel will go into the clips. So yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching.